Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing a ring light because recently, if you guys did not see my community post, I posted here on YouTube. I'm very new to it, so I don't really know much about it. I just know that I posted here on my YouTube, and I mentioned to you guys that my ring light recently gave up, and the current ring light that I'm using is the one that gave up on me. I had to like switch it on and off like 100 times. I'm gonna eventually review this ring light for you guys because so many people buy it, and I've only had it for 29 weeks exactly, and it already gave up on me. Since we're going through this whole COVID-19, unfortunately, the shipping is gonna be taking 2 to 3 weeks, and I just couldn't wait that long to have this light replaced because as soon as I turn it off, it's probably gonna give me the same issue. I couldn't wait for my new ring light to be shipped in because it's going to take forever. So I sent my boyfriend over to Walmart to purchase a ring light that I had previously seen there. And it was only $29.88, and this is the ring light here. I also showed you guys this in my stories when I seen it a while back, and I was asked to review it, and I thought it was a good idea to do it now since I just got it. I have not opened this box. On here it says that it's an 8-inch selfie ring light studio. It's a 51 expandable tripod, and it can also hold your phone right here. It has a little controller so that you can take pictures, snap pictures. It has 3 light color settings, so you have your warm light and then you have your fluorescent light. It's great for vlogging, live videos, video chats, social media, live streaming, and health and beauty. So yeah, this is it. Let's go ahead and open it up. The brand is called Bauer. Oh, hold on. Before we get started, if you guys have not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. I have been noticing that I'm not only sticking to beauty and hair, I'm actually venturing out to do like full tutorials of how to be on social media such as TikTok. Well, that's the only one I've done. No, but I also review like products. Like what kind of products, Tracy? Skincare? I have a lot of plans for my channel, so just, I'm telling you, stick around. Subscribe down below, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out on what Tracy has in store for you guys. Now let's get started.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
I've been wearing my makeup for a long time already, so yeah, this lash is wonky, and you guys should have told me I had eyeshadow on it. I just put some eyeliner over it. This video is not about makeup. We are going to review a ring light. If you guys are content creators or are thinking of making videos, I want to show you guys whether this is going to be worth it or not. It's only $30 at Walmart, so I just don't know what to expect. I'm thinking the ring light is in this little box. Let's check it out. It's so little. For this review, I'm going to be turning off this light and hoping this works. I'm also going to turn off my soft boxes and my bedroom. No, I'm going to leave my bedroom light on because I'm pretty sure you guys have a bedroom light. I just want to show you guys the quality of the ring light itself. If you guys are just starting off, whether it's going to be worth it or not. You take this out of the baggie, and it comes with a USB cable, and it has switches right here for on and off. I don't know what these are, but we're going to learn together. Here is the tripod. It can stand on the floor, or you can have it on your vanity table. You know what sucks? I really thought that this was going to be something I was able to attach to my actual ring light stand, but it's not something that I can attach to it. So we're going to have to work with the tripod that it comes with. I'm going to switch. And up here you guys can see this little screw right here. That's where the ring light goes. So we're just going to twist this part on. I'm glad that this is like probably gonna be able to go in through my lens. So let me move everything from my... Yeah, you gotta tighten the ring light or else it's gonna fall. It has this little right here, this little thing that you turn so that it kind of holds steady and it doesn't just fall like it just did right now. So let me put this, I'm going to clear off my makeup table, and then I'll be right back once this is set up. And yeah, I think it might be a little too tall. I'm trying to figure this out because I want this to go right in through that camera lens. Right there, that kind of does it. Yeah, you guys can't see the circle around. So now let me figure this part out, what this is in here. Okay, so over in here we have, so this here is gonna be able to hold the phone in some way. Pero como? Okay, I guess you open this part up, take this little thing out. Okay, I think I get it. You're gonna open this part. Do you guys see this? This here is gonna be for your cell phone. It's gonna hold the phone right in here. You can expand this and your phone will just clip on. You can rotate this so that you can have a horizontal video or a vertical video. So you're gonna clip this onto this part right here. Open it up and there you go. With this, you're gonna tighten that up so it doesn't move anywhere. And there you go. You can film vertical like I said, or you can film horizontal. So I'm gonna read instructions today. I don't normally do that. I like figuring things out on my own. But I'm gonna do it, okay, for you. It doesn't say what that other one is for. Oh, okay. Yeah, it does. All right. So this one is for, instead of putting the ring light on top, screwing it on, as you guys can see, you can put the tripod onto the ring light, and you can use a tripod just to film like outdoors, wherever you are, or just take pictures whenever you're out with your family or friends, without using the ring light, of course. Or you can take selfies if you want to do like outfit pictures. You can definitely use that. You have your phone and then you have your tripod to hold the phone. This one here is for a camera like the one I'm using, or a vlogging camera. It'll screw on. You can replace that with, maybe I should show you guys, but I'm sure you guys understand what I'm saying. I'm sure you do. Yeah, I don't want to unscrew it, but if you just take off this right here, the ring light, you can apply this and apply your vlogging camera. And then this one, like I said, is just for your phone, not the ring light. And then you have your little remote to control you taking pictures through either your camera, the vlogging camera, or your phone. You just have to download a certain app, I think, onto your phone, and then it'll connect to your camera. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna try to do that. I just want to test out what the light is like in this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and, how do you connect this? I'm gonna just go ahead and plug it into a USB outlet, and then I'll be right back. I'm gonna turn off the lights like I mentioned and just leave this one on. I'm gonna have my bedroom light on, and let's try it out. It does not come with a USB connector, so I'm just gonna use my iPhone one. You can use any of these that you have laying around. I have a lot of extra ones here at my house, so I'm just gonna go ahead and plug this in. Okay, so this is really dark. You guys obviously can't even see my face, and my camera's having a hard time focusing because it doesn't detect my face. I usually film with my ring light and 2 soft boxes. If you guys want to see how my room is set up, I do have a video of how my room is set up. I do film in my bedroom, so if you guys want to check it out, I'll go ahead and link it up above. Right now I'm going to go ahead and switch on the light. As you guys can see, I do have this little remote control that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. I'm going to turn on the little ring light, and this is a control, and this is my face. Oh god, you can see all the texture. My makeup is like coming apart, you guys, but this is what this ring light looks like with my camera. I don't really like how texturized my face looks, but if you come up close, the light does look a lot better because it just looks a lot brighter because of course I am closer. So if you do plan to make like close-up videos, I really don't normally suck this bad at eyeshadow, I swear, but I've been wearing it almost all day. It doesn't look bad. Like if I even come closer, it looks pretty good. I love how like vibrant my eyeshadow looks. This is what it looks like just with the ring light. And I'm gonna play around with the settings of the brightness. So let's go ahead and start pushing the lower light button. And this is at the lowest setting of light, which my camera's still having a hard time detecting that. Now I'm gonna switch it one pump up, another one, another one, another one, and this is the brightest setting. Oh, just kidding. Yeah, that was it. Okay. So it looks really beautiful when you do film like up close. I personally like it, so I'm gonna have to be doing a lot of close-ups when I do film videos for my Instagram. I don't want to stop posting. I might have to slow down here on my YouTube channel if this ring light does not function for me. The one that I have behind this one. This was just a test. I wanted to make sure that I got this ring light in case the other one didn't work, because I still want to be able to produce content for you guys. Maybe not for YouTube, but you guys will definitely be seeing me on my Instagram, like no matter what. So make sure you guys follow me on there. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn on both of my softboxes, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with this tiny little ring light and two softboxes. Okay, so now this is me making this video with two softboxes and my ring light, the little 8-inch ring light that I'm reviewing. So from afar, you can still see the shadows of my skin because I do have my drop boxes pretty high up and they're just coming down on me. Filming at night I think is going to be pretty challenging with this ring light if you do plan to make YouTube videos, but if you just plan to do a lot of close-ups like I've already mentioned, I think this ring light would work really well. Let me come up closer. And here we are. This is what my skin and my eyeshadow is looking like. I also link all of my equipment down below in the description box if you guys are ever curious as to what camera I use or what softboxes I have. I'll also link this little ring light in my description box in case you guys are interested in purchasing it. The box does say that this light has 3 color changes, and this one is, I think, the fluorescent light. Okay, here we go. This is the warmer light. Oh no, this is the fluorescent light. Okay. Yeah, so this kind of makes me feel like I look a lot more blue. I don't like that. I think this one is definitely my favorite because it does kind of look a little bit more true to color. And then we go over here and this one makes me look a little, well, actually a lot more orange. And I don't like that. Let me back up a little so you guys can see all of the color settings. This is the fluorescent light, which makes me look blue, and the middle light is what I like the best. Extremely orange. I feel like I would use this color for like a story time or something. This fluorescent light would probably work the best whenever it's daytime and you're filming. It'll just give a lot of natural lighting, I feel like. So here I am. I turned off all of my bedroom lights except that tiny little backlight over there. And here we are with the middle light. Here we are with the most orange light. This is the white. Okay, the white light looks a lot better once everything is turned off in the room except the ring light. Let me show you guys an up close. Yeah, I really like how it looks up close when it's white. And this is the one that I told you guys that I like the most. But if, I don't know, I kind of like that white one with it being this dark. Hold on. No, I'm changing my mind. Yeah, middle one works best. Now the real test is how it works with my cell phone and this ring light. And as you guys can see, the light looks really, really nice on my cell phone. Now I'm going to switch the settings of the light on the phone because I'm pretty sure if you're starting out, you probably don't have a big camera that you're able to use. And whenever somebody starts out, usually, I mean, for myself, I personally started using my phone whenever I started making videos. So, that's why I wanted to put to the test what it looks like on my cell phone. So here is what that middle setting is. I'm going to switch between settings of the lighting. Here is the most orange setting. Here is the white setting, which I don't think this one looks too bad on my cell phone. I actually like it. But this one's my favorite. If you do plan to use the phone for makeup tutorials or for TikTok, I think this is a great starting out ring light. But for YouTube, I don't recommend it whatsoever. So I'm gonna end the video here. Yeah, I'm trying to, oh, okay. My ring light turned on, great. I'm really happy that my ring light turned on again. Hopefully that it continues to work. I'm gonna probably have an extra ring light if this one continues to work, which I'm not mad at. This little one kind of helps brighten everything up too though, look at that. Or I can use it to even warm up my video, like, let me back up. Do you guys see the colors changing? This is, by the way, this is just my ring light without my two soft boxes. So you definitely see the huge difference that a big ring light like the one I have makes. I love this. I love the lighting that this ring light gives, but unfortunately it's just giving me problems and I haven't had it for even a year. The previous ring light that I had it for 4 years and it finally gave up on me 29 weeks ago when I replaced it. And I just wanted to venture out and try something different. I thought buying something more expensive with really good reviews was gonna last me a long time and give me a better quality video, but unfortunately that wasn't the case. So I decided to go back to what lasted me longer, which was my first ring light, and it's gonna get here on May the 3rd. I will also link that ring light, the one that I'm talking about, the one that lasted me for 4 years, down below in the description box. I'll make sure that I put all of the information down below in my description box. I'll be very detailed so that you're not confused. So yeah, I'll leave you guys here. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. There's so many people out there that really love makeup as much as I do and that want to start making videos. And I remember when I first started making videos, I was just using a desk lamp and just using my window light. Everyone starts somewhere, and I think this is a great little ring light. Not for YouTube videos. I don't recommend it for YouTube videos, like I've already told you guys. But I do recommend this if you are just wanting to make TikTok videos, makeup tutorials on TikTok, or for Instagram on your phone. If you guys have any questions about this ring light, please feel free to leave me a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and being patient with me as I wait for my new ring light. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!